where are my hooded-eyed ladies at? And are you in your 30s? This is the video for you. I am going to save you time, money, effort, and just overall just insanity in the makeup store in this video. So make sure you click and watch. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the story. I loved to be put together to the nines. I was a hairstylist. I still am a hairstylist, but I was getting ready to the absolute nines and my makeup was just not matching the clothes and the hair. I was like missing a piece in my getting ready routine, you guys, and it was hands down my makeup routine. It just was not working. I did not know that I had a problem that I call the hooded eye back then that I know now. So that's why I'm like literally making this video for the person that has a hooded eye. What is a hooded eye? It's when this top skin over here rolls over this skin right here. Now, a lot of the women that you see on YouTube, they have eyes like this, and you can see all their eyeshadows and they look fabulous. And you bring in these pictures and you're like, how do they look like this? And I'm like, you can't look like this. You can never look like this. You have a hooded eye. No one told me that, people. No one. Okay, the number one thing that solved all of my hooded eye problems, I'm just gonna tell you in 2 minutes into this video, just so to save you time, money, and energy. It's eyelash extensions. Eyelash extensions will solve every problem you have, including raccoon eyes. Because if you have a hooded eye, you probably got a raccoon eye. Am I telling the truth here? You guys, I was in Sephora all the time talking to these Sephora women. Oh my gosh, I was bringing in these pictures and I'm like, I want to look like this. My clothes look like this. My hair looks like this. My makeup was not working, okay? So finally one day I'm like, you know what? I don't care what people say about eyelashes. I'm going to start wearing them every single day of my life. I went over to Walgreens. I ditched Sephora. I ditched it. Because the problem with the Sephora lashes, you guys, I'm just going to be really honest with you on here. They're so extra. They're for pictures. They're for modeling. They're for weddings. They run about $20 and there's just no need. There's no need to wear that kind of lash every single day. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a 1% of women up there that are dressed, that are wearing those kind of lashes every day and they look amazing. So I'm not discounting them. I'm talking about that everyday put together girl that wants to just complete the look, and she has hooded eyes and she puts on all this eye makeup and she has all this concealer and it's just, there's still something missing. Get yourself lashes. Wear lashes every single day. Ditch the shadows. Ditch it for now. Get the eyelashes on. The other thing I want to say about lashes for hooded eyes. Lashes for hooded eyes give you an eye lift. They literally lift you up, wake you up, and take 5 to 10 years off of your face. I'm not kidding you. You guys will get instant facelift. You will have people around you that is like, what is this? What are you doing here? Sometimes when your lashes are too extra, like I said, they'll add weight and they'll add years onto you. So you need to find the right lash for you. That's what my channel comes in for. Make sure you click subscribe because I go over every lash and which one might be for you. So make sure you click subscribe and make sure you check out my description below because I have tons of things in my store that could be working for you. And in my videos, I go into great detail of what is for you. If you are like me, you're in your 30s, you're into makeup, you love to look your best, and you have hooded eyes, you guys, I have a lot of solutions for you in my store. So make sure you click my description below. So the last thing I wanted to share about the hooded eye is when we wear a bunch of makeup, like I said before, we end up with the dark circles underneath. So we need a really great concealer. That's another thing that you need if you have hooded eyes. So if I have touched on any of those problems before, make sure you click subscribe. Let me know the problems in the comments that you've had with hooded eyes because I really want to help share on this topic of hooded eyes and like really expand on this because that's me. I have hooded eyes. I've solved a lot of problems with it, and I want to help you guys solve some problems too with makeup in your 30s. Click subscribe. Thanks, guys.